Hi everyone, nice to see you again. I know finding a place to live in Sydney is not easy and boring. Me and Amy will simplify everything for you.
Perfect. Are you ready for our trip to Granville? Let's go.
Granville has 13.8% Lebanese, 10.5% Australian, 9.3% English, 8.4% Indian, and 7.5% Chinese.
Granville is a vibrant suburb in Sydney known for its diverse community and lively atmosphere. It's well connected to other cities, making it easy to get around. Granville also has a local shopping center on East Street, and it's just a short trip to Parramatta for even more entertainment and dining options. Granville has a large number of eateries, amenities, and residential buildings. They are mainly situated at East Street, South Street, and Memorial Drive. Granville Library sits at Granville Centre on Memorial Drive. This suburb is well connected to train and buses. A bonus is that there is a kiosk for people to grab quick food and coffee at Granville Railway Station.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated by hitting the subscribe button.